Using indigenous and agro-based raw materials, Pulickattil Tourism Group has developed an eco-friendly technology to make houseboats at its building dock. These houseboats are environmental friendly products of the reputed industrial concern named the Pulickattil Wood Industry. A master craftsman with traditional experience in boat building, assisted by a team drawn from different regions, built the boat. Mode of construction under strict directions of the governmental authorities prevents environmental damage to air, water and general ecosystem. The Pulickattil Tourism Group is also considering the socio-economic conditions of the water-based tourism industry as having employment potential for a number of rural people.